A gray-haired old lady stood smiling, selling her flowers in the square. And she looked at a lonely gray building, and she said, "That's my son way up there." Her face was the color of ashes, her eyes were the color of stone, but her heart was the color of pity for a boy who must live all alone. He's got a big limousine and a chauffeur to drive, with a bright New York princess to sleep by his side. He's got money to burn, he's got money to buy, but he is a boy who forgot how to cry. And as I stood watching the building, a black car drew up at the door, and out stepped that bright New York princess, the kind who keeps asking for more. She walked up the street to the lady to purchase some flowers from the cart. She said, "Could I have some white lilies? I'm just off to bury my heart." He's got a big limousine and a chauffeur to drive, with a bright New York princess to sleep by his side. He's got money to burn, he's got money to buy. Too bad he's a boy who forgot how to cry. She carried her flowers to the building, she carried a tear in her eye. A bright light come on in the penthouse, and a body fell out of the sky. A gray-haired old lady stood weeping, watching the scene in the square. A boy and a dozen white lilies. She said, "That's my son lying there." He had a big limousine and a chauffeur to drive, with a bright New York princess to sleep by his side. He had money to burn, he had money to buy, but he was a boy who forgot how to cry.